there, my name is Jordan, and today I'm in the kitchen with our technical specialist, Chris Papademos. We're going to give you a quick rundown on how to create our seasonal apple pie gummies using Melt-to-Make Unflavored gelatin pucks. If you'd like, you can easily replicate this recipe with our unflavored pectin base, utilizing the pectin work instructions and the pectin drying instructions. Before you begin making your batch, I highly suggest having our formula calculator, work instructions, and a drying guide in front of you for easy reference. We're going to start by entering our batch information into the formula calculator so we know exactly how much of each ingredient we need. If you're unsure of how to use our formula calculator, you can find an instructional video in the resources section of our website, or you can scan the QR code on your screen. Once the calculator has populated the information you need, we can begin weighing out our ingredients. For starters, we'll weigh out our unflavored gelatin pucks and place them in a double boiler so they can start melting. While the pucks melt, we're going to weigh out the other ingredients we need for this batch. The ingredients we need to weigh out include Melt-to-Make's all-natural green apple flavor, cinnamon, and sugar. Please note that due to the acidity in our provided Melt-to-Make finishing sugar, it's best to outsource your own cinnamon and sugar for this formulation. Once you've weighed out your cinnamon and sugar, you can mix them together in a bowl and put it aside. Once the gelatin pucks are fully melted and at the right temperature, we'll add in the green apple flavor and give it a good stir. When that's mixed in well, we're ready to get those gummies deposited. To deposit your gummies, you can either go with the classic pour and scrape method, or you can use a depositor like we're going to today. Either way, pour that apple goodness into some molds and let's get them curing. Once the gummies have had some time to cure, we can pop them out of the molds and toss them in the cinnamon sugar. Lastly, we're going to spread the gummies on some trays to dry until they reach a water activity of 0.65 to 0.67. If you're using our Pectin gummy base, you'll want the water activity to reach 0.60 to 0.63. Thank you for watching this video, and if you'd like more information on our apple pie gummy recipe, check out the blog on our website. Additionally, if you have any questions about this process, please feel free to reach out to us at support@melttomake.com.